بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السيدات والسادة، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lord the Merciful and Compassionate. The 2020-2040 vision focuses on the importance between the interconnectedness of all sectors and the need to develop the education system. We also need to develop social services and do everything possible to respond to and meet the SDGs. So in response to the invitation of the Secretary General of the United Nations to the September summit, in our country we have undertaken consultations with over 250 participants of people that are experts in the field of education. They represent youth, civil society, the education sector, parents and students. We cooperated with UNICEF, UNESCO and other partners to come up with a shared national vision. The aim is to ensure the transformation of education. We made the most of the lessons learned from the pandemic. We have taken on board and taken into account the voices of youth. We need to listen to them and make sure they have a seat at the table, and they must be in charge of their own future. We are doing the utmost to provide them with the necessary skills for work and life. We also are focusing on the role of teachers and educators. Their role was immense when facing the problems linked to the pandemic. So we have emphasized the importance of remote learning as well. We have attached great importance to teacher training. We are going to really leverage the experience of the pandemic in order to really take on board all the lessons that we learned. We are calling on all methods. We're using all different types of methods to really undertake this transformation. So we're taking on digital transformation, including in education, to ensure effective and efficient education. We are doing the utmost to include digital technology in education. We are also doing everything possible to install the adequate infrastructure. The government is also committed to financing the education system and the necessary mechanisms to encourage the private sector to take part in reaching these objectives. We are also upholding our international commitments, our commitment to reach SDG 4. Furthermore, we have set out a number of indicators to forward the work towards sustainable development with the help of the UN and other specialized agencies, namely UNESCO. So we commend and applaud and are thankful for these efforts and this support to transform education with a view to 2030. Thank you.